So I'm always looking for more ways to get collagen into my diet every day. And what a great way to accomplish that is through just simple gummies. On this episode, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some delicious blueberry gummies. Woo! Let's get it. Okay, so blueberry gummies. This is going to be so ridiculously easy and simple that it's almost going to shock you. You blink and we're going to be done. Just kidding, it's not going to be that fast. But anyway, what we're going to be using is Lakewood Pure Blueberry, organic, no added sugar, just straight blueberry juice. This is my favorite supplier of beef gelatin. This is Vital Proteins. What we're going to do is I'm going to pour 1 cup, just 1 cup, okay? Shake it up just a little bit. Okay. 1 cup. Okay. To 6 tablespoons of beef gelatin. Now, what's so important and why is beef gelatin so healthy? This is predominantly collagen. And you're gonna start seeing a theme that I try to get collagen in my diet as often as possible. Why? Because it's the most abundant protein in the human body. And we're talking about being responsible for skin, hair, nails, all the connective tissue, so cartilage, tendons, ligaments. That's collagen. So as I pour this in here, I'm gonna stir this up, okay? I don't know if you can get in there and see that. It's starting to congeal already, and that's okay. That's what we kind of want to happen. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this sit for 3 minutes. So, in 3 minutes, I'll be back. It has been 3 minutes. So, as you can see, what it does is kind of looks solid, right? But you still see it's kind of grainy in there. So what we're gonna do is we're now gonna heat this up. Okay, so let me get this going. Medium to high heat. We're gonna do this until it actually starts to melt and it gets hot. We don't really want to boil, but we do want to get this hot. So as it's sitting here, and it loosens up a little bit and starts to melt, I'm gonna start stirring this up to get it ready to actually put it inside the molds. So, you know, the cool thing about this, not only is it super nutritious, but this is a project that you can actually involve the whole family, especially the kids. This is actually kind of fun. So when we later on go into where I'm actually putting the concoction inside the molds, you'll see that where, you know, some kids will actually probably enjoy this. And then we'll do the taste test, the reveal, all that good stuff. And these things are actually phenomenal. You don't have to just use blueberry juice. You literally can use almost any type of juice you want. I've made all kinds of gummies before. And some later episodes, I'm gonna be doing some very, very cool gummies. Probably gummies that you've never, combination you've never even thought about. But like for instance, a good combination with collagen. So remember, the most abundant ingredient in the beef gelatin is collagen. Vitamin C and collagen go together very well. So you can make a gummy that involves, you know, a good organic orange juice and gelatin. Those are a phenomenal gummy. But this is all about blueberries today. So now it's starting to loosen up a little bit. So I'm gonna start stirring it. And if you can get in here, you can kind of see it's melting, right? So I'm gonna completely melt this. Start to stir it. And like I said, we don't want it to boil, we just want it to get nice and hot. Okay, and now it's completely melted, okay? See some smoke or some steam coming out of there, so that lets me know it's pretty warm and hot. I'm gonna give it just another 30 seconds or so. that's good. All right, now, the next part, the final part. Well, almost the final part. The final part would be us eating, actually. But the second to the last part is gonna be actually getting this bad boy into the mold. So I will see you in 2.2 seconds again. Okay, now it's the fun part, the real fun part. So I got my son, he's back again. This is Tristan, if you missed the first episode, and then the second episode. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use these eyedroppers right here, okay? Word of advice, for whatever reason, don't turn these up after you pull up the actual solution, because if you do, for some reason, they projectile explode all over the place. Learn that the hard way a couple times, all right? So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna suck this up, all right? Come on over, and we're just gonna start filling up each one of these. So even some of the younger kids, I think, would actually enjoy this. Actually, the process of making some good, fantastic snacks. And then even educate them along the way. Collagen is very, very, very important for kids because they're constantly growing. And like I mentioned earlier, collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. A good way to keep your skin healthy, your nails healthy, your hair healthy, your joints healthy, is with collagen in your diet every day. I can't stress that enough. Having fun, Tris?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, and now, what we're gonna do is put these bad boys in the refrigerator. It takes about 60 minutes for these bad boys to congel, and then I will see you on the other side to taste test and see if these things actually are delicious. Be back shortly. Okay, so it's been approximately 60 minutes. I just pulled these bad boys out of the refrigerator. Son, are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, so what you do, go ahead and grab a tray. And then it's real simple. All you gotta do is just pop these out. Okay? Oh, isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? All right, but now, do they taste cute? Do they? All right, you ready? Cheers. What do you think?
They're good.
No, scared me for a minute, man. All right, so a delicious way to get collagen in every day if you really wanted to. You can't really OD on these. The next thing that I want to talk about is, like, I didn't add any sugar to this, okay? So, and I usually don't add sugar to many things. But if you wanted to sweeten it up a little bit, get some organic turbinado sugar, organic cane sugar, even use honey if you want it just a little bit sweeter. But if you're being conscious about losing fat, losing weight, then you might not want to add the extra sugar. These taste fantastic just the way they are. I'm gonna use another one of these bad boys. But anyway, so let's recap this. Vital proteins, beef gelatin. You can take your favorite juice. I actually use the Feel Good, Live Good. Some Lakewood pure blueberry organic juice. Like I said, if you want to get a little extra bump in vitamin C and collagen work synergistically together, you can use orange juice and collagen. It's very simple. Use about 1 cup of juice to about 6 tablespoons, and voila! You know, all within about an hour and probably 10 minutes prep time, you have delicious snacks that even the kids can enjoy. And these are young men and young women growing up. They need more healthy options, and collagen, remember, is the most abundant protein in the human body. So we need this. We need connective tissue, beautiful skin, hair, nail. You see what it does for my hair, you know what I mean? All right, so like always, help me help you, and let's just get healthier one day at a time. Until next time.